Today on Best of the Best, the story of the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show. One of the most respected companies of its kind in the country and a great American family business known for giving back. Congratulations to the Calvetta family and the fantastic team that they value so much at the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show, with 4 showrooms and a thriving online business in the Cleveland market. On this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service every single day for over 20 years and counting. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show. If you want to see what the quintessential great American family business success story looks like, take a hard look at the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show. Jason, Lance, and Austin Calvetta learned as kids from their father to work hard and treat people right. The lessons of their father paid off. Today, the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show is the most respected and well-known company of its kind in this market.
It's time to fall in love again with your home.
That's Austin's daughter, Casey. She literally grew up in Calvetta Brothers commercials. Casey's really awesome connection with viewers, and this company's brand marketing is pretty special. It's led to steady growth in an industry dominated by big box stores and big national chains these days. The Calvetta Brothers Floor Show handles all types of flooring and takes customers from design right through installation. They love to say, fall in love again with your home. The Calvetta Brothers Floor Show is known for going above and beyond to make darn sure customers are happy. All of that is wonderful, but at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. Remember, we didn't tell anyone at Calvetta that we were doing this video. We only did so after doing a ton of research. And no matter how good a company's marketing is, and the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show is great, real reviews are what are most important to us, and they should be to you if you're looking for flooring. The reviews about the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show are simply awesome. On multiple credible review sites, customers rave about the professionalism of the team from design through installation, the wonderful showrooms, the selection, the financing, and most of all, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show every single day. These are really good people. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The Calvetta Brothers Floor Show probably gives back more than any other flooring company of its size in America. They are huge supporters of St. Jude's and other organizations that help children. They're proud partners with the Cleveland Animal Protective League. They donate a portion of every sale to benefit the Cleveland APL. And they do so much more. We love it. Congratulations to everyone at the Calvetta Brothers Floor Show on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for over 20 years and counting. The right way. The way that makes you fall in love with your home again. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.